Well, one people. So today will be the first of 4 videos, and I'm going to build up towards making a particular dessert, and I'd like you to guess what dessert I'm going to make in the end. So today we're gonna make marzipan. And I have looked at a lot of recipes and I figured, you know what, the Swedes do a lot with marzipan, so they should know. So I went to Scandinavian Today's YouTube channel and I'm following along. Her instructions suggest that you use raw almonds and chop them up, blanch them and chop and take the skin off, chop them up and whatnot. Well, I did that before, and yeah, it was fun trying it once, but I figured let me just use almond flour. I have almond flour here, and all it says is blanched almond flour. So there's no other ingredients in here except almonds, so it's the same as ground almonds. So I put the flour in my Ninja blender, and I put the powdered sugar in there, even though that's not what she said. She said to chop up the almonds in here and then dump it in a bowl and mix it up. But I figure let me grind up this almond flour a little bit more and just grind it with the confectioner's sugar. So full disclosure, this is not 100% exactly as what she's saying, but it's close enough for me for right now. So let's blend. So now that the almonds have been ground up sufficiently in the food processor, in my blender, I am going to dump it out. So this is the almonds and the confectioner's sugar, dumping it out here, and it ground up pretty fine. So you can see it's pretty fine meal.
Actually, I'll add just a little bit of water. See, I'll add a spoonful at the time. Don't want too much water.
I'm gonna add, she says add a little at a time. Okay, so that was about a tablespoon. Don't want to add too much water. So it looks like it's coming together, so I'm going to start mixing with my hands and see how much it comes together. Now, I've seen some people use egg whites for this, but I don't know. It probably is good if you're using pasteurized eggs, but I'm just leery gonna eat. So this is coming together with 3 tablespoons of water. Probably could have used less, but yeah. Oh, she also added almond flavor. What was I thinking? Lord. So a good idea would be to add the almond extract to the water, but now that you know you're using about 3 tablespoons of water, you can just go ahead and know to add it to 3 tablespoons of water. So she used half a teaspoon of almond extract. Okay, so this is nice and held together, almost like marzipan, like it should. Just get all that good stuff out of there. I don't want to waste any of this stuff. All right, so now I'm gonna put it on my board. Let's see what else she says.
Powdered sugar.
So she put some powdered sugar on the board.
And I have a really nice portion of marzipan here. Oh, I look forward to using it. I'm going to use it for baking, and of course you can also make marzipan confect.
So your roll you need with
Seems
your
like we have to have marzipan for Christmas or
the
something.
heel of your hand, your wrist. just keeps folding it over on itself.
So here you see I have a nice loaf of marzipan.
So let's get it into a log. And then she says, I have a nice portion of marzipan here. Okay, so here we have marzipan. 14 minutes later, with all my shenanigans. So I got me a piece of plastic wrap from the pantry. I put my log on top of it. And then I'm gonna fold up the ends first because I don't want those to dry out. And then I just bring that side over, tuck it in, and just roll, roll, roll. Here is my marzipan log. I'm gonna put this in the fridge and let it chill before I make the next component I'm gonna make of this final end product. I hope this is enough.